My dear friends, maybe let us try to imagine how massive was the crowd when they all knew that Jesus was in their home. Kung pag-uusapan lang natin ang Jesus Nazareno, balikan po ninyo ano nangyari nung Martes. Halos 6 na milyon ang nagpunta sa Quiapo o nakiisa sa traslasyon. Jesus Nazareno pa lang po ito na gawa sa kahoy na ating pinaniniwalaan na siya iyon. Pero kung si Jesus mismo ang dumating po, marahil hindi lang 1 milyon ang dadagsa. Pagsisiksikan ho natin, kasama na po ako doon. And try to imagine how big the number was the people when they all knew again that Jesus was home. This is the iconic story of the people or the friends who brought the paralytic near the Lord, but then they can even find a place or para mailusot itong kaibigan nilang ito. But there is another detail that I would like to stress. Scribes were sitting maybe near Jesus or maybe around the presence or the area where Christ was. But then again, their eyes were raised. Napatanong sila. May comment na naman sila sa ginawa ni Jesus. They were asking themselves, why does this man speak that way? Who but God alone can forgive sins? You see the irony? Yung mas malayo o yung mas imposible pang makalapit o makadala kay Jesus ng isang tao, nakagawa ng paraan. Sabi nga po, tinistis pa daw yung bahay ni Jesus para lang maibaba yung paralitikong iyon. But on the one hand, there were people, those the closest and the nearest to Christ, they were the ones even not able to at least give way to this paralytic man. Those who cannot even appreciate how good the Lord is in front of this man. This irony, my dear brothers and sisters, is a reality and a danger to all of us. Baka nga malapit tayo kay Jesus. Malapit tayo kung nasaan ang Diyos. Pero sa oras ng may nangangailangan naman sa Diyos, ayaw nating magbigay daan. Nangunguna pa tayo sa pamumuna. Nangunguna pa tayong makakita ng pangit. Nangunguna pa tayong makakita ng hindi maganda sa pangyayaring iyon. At marahil, tayo pa ang ayaw magdala papalapit kay Jesus katulad sa mga taong ito. Taong simbahan, mass goer, baka kami ring mga pari at mga relihiyoso, mga masasabi nating mga malalapit kay Jesus. Pero baka sa panahon na may gustong makakita kay Jesus o makalapit kay Jesus, we might bragging our own rights and even our entitlements. Entitlements, not only one, but many. As if we are saying, this is my place. I deserve to be here. I must not be taken out of here. Kung may kailangan ka, maghanap ka ng paraan mo. Hindi kita bibigyan ng pamamaraan. I will not give way. We might be doing worse rather than what is best for others. At nakakahiya, baka manggaling pa iyan sa mga taong malapit at malapit kay Jesus. Again, this is also for me and also for every one of us. My dear brothers and sisters, let this be a challenge for us. The closer to the Lord, the closer we can be for everyone. Hindi sana kung kailan tayo pa ang mas malapit sa Diyos, doon tayo mawawalan o nawalan ng pakialam, ng pakiramdam, o kahit pakikiramay sa iba. All the more that we are close by distance with Jesus, the closer our distance to our friends and to those in need of Christ. The closer to Jesus, the stronger our love, the stronger our affection, the stronger are our concern for everyone.